Happy New Year! Welcome guys to 2022 and welcome to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the right time to go ahead and just click on that subscribe button. Exactly. Guys, I got my assistant in the kitchen. You know, whenever she's here to cook with me, it's going to go pretty well. And today, what are we cooking, Boom?
We're doing shawarma.
Chicken shawarma.
We like to eat Nigerian food as much as we like to eat German food or international food. It is very important if you have two nationalities. If you have two nationalities that you are embracing your partner's culture, food, lifestyle, and this is what we do.
Which simply means very soon we might be cooking some German dishes
Definitely,
too. So
yes.
for those of you that want to see some German cooking, go ahead and subscribe. That's the reason why you need to be here. So for today's meal, I will be needing chicken breast. I got my tortilla wraps, and some people prefer to use the flattened bread. If that's what you have, that works perfectly too. I have some chicken sausages. All of my ingredients are here. For example, the coriander, curcuma, paprika, onions, and garlic powder. So you have onions, and I also have fresh garlic that I'm going to be mincing. You know, I'll show you all of that later. And here I got my cucumber, I got some carrot, cabbage that I will be using to make coleslaw. You know, some people prefer to use vegetable oil. I like to use olive oil. It's healthier. You know, so without further ado, let me just show you what I'm doing today. I've just finished taking the garlic out of the cloves. So all you just need to do is mince it. I have like a little mortar here. I also have the powdered one in there already, but there's something about fresh minced garlic. So this is coriander. So, and to get this put together, I just put like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That should do. This is where it gets a little bit messy. My hands have already been washed, so just go ahead and massage this. So to give it that Nigerian shawarma taste, I'm using what we call yaji, or some of you know as Suya spice, and I'm being generous with it. You know, but you can also use chili, black pepper, or any pepper of your choice.
So after I'm cutting the cabbage very fine, I'm going to peel the carrots. And I'm actually going to grate them.
Alright, the marinade is ready, and I'm opening up my double layered table grill. So it's actually one. You'll see how I'm going to use it later for the wrap, but I'm lucky to have one that opens 180. So that way there's enough space for my chicken. So while this is going on, I just throw in the sausages. One side is almost done. This way you don't have to wait too long. I can't wait. You heard what Becky just called me? Quality tester. That's what I do. Let me taste one for you. This is for you. Hear them laughing behind the camera.
So we're going to mix the cabbage and the carrots. Make sure the bowl is big enough so you have room to mix it proper. So after this, I'm going to do the dressing for it with mayonnaise, yogurt and ketchup basically. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice just for that little extra kick. And I'm going to use a bit of chili flakes here. We're going to add it and mix up.
Becky has done a great job preparing the coleslaw. Here I have mayonnaise and I just top it up with ketchup. Don't be stingy with your sauce because you need to have like a lot of it. That way it tastes really better. And I just put some of this again for that kick. So just spread it lavishly. That's what makes it taste really good. And just put it like that. Looks good already. Just put some chicken sausage on top. What I like to do most times is to just put the sauce on it one more time. And it's time to wrap. So my grill is already hot enough. What I like to do from the side, make it bend like that. Just roll it gently. Roll it gently. So this has been beautifully rolled. Do one more before we grill it. So I've got 3 in. So we'll just let it grill a bit. So 2 things it does, it makes the tortilla wrap cook better and gives it that crispiness, but at the same time serve like a little hold for the garnishing.